Welcome to Lightning Proxies. In this video, I will show you how to set up ISP proxies. First, go to your Lightning Proxies dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Generator, then select ISP. Under your plan, click on Generate. This will open the generator page. Here, you can configure your settings. Next, choose the protocol. You can select either HTTP or SOCKS 5, depending on your needs. If you experience any issues with your proxies, which is very unlikely, you can simply click on Refresh Proxies. You can also change the proxy format to match your preferred setup. Now, let's take a look at some features. If you want to extend your plan duration, click on Extend Duration. Select the extension period, then proceed with the payment. You can also enable Auto Renew. Click on the Stripe Auto Renew button, turn it on, and choose when a bill should be sent to automatically renew or extend your plan. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and enjoy using Lightning Proxies.